Cloud computing is a very interesting model because of its value proposition. And the value proposition of cloud computing comes from its five fundamental characteristics. In this slide, we will be considering these characteristics and what do they mean in practical terms. The first characteristic of cloud computing is on-demand service. What it means is for an end user is automatic provisioning. So provisioning is a process where actually as and when you need resources, you can get it from the cloud service provider. And this process is made automatic. That means as soon as you want additional resources like memory or computing, just by clicking a particular key or making the corresponding payment and all, you can get it. Next one is called broad network access. What it actually means is cloud computing delivery is not restricted to any one kind of device. It could be your laptop, it could be your server, or it could be your desktop, or it could be even your TV or mobile. So this ability of using heterogeneous devices is possible because cloud computing has this second quality of broad network access. The third one is called resource pooling. So what it actually means is whenever you are using a cloud computing service, your location is not a consideration. You can use it from your home place like Dharwad, or you can go to Dubai and use it. So this is possible because resource pooling, and hence it makes location independent. And also multi-tenancy. What it actually means that the ability of serving multiple users by simply running one instance of a program on your server will be a great helpful. This is particularly useful for a developer. The next quality is called rapid elasticity. See, what it actually means from practical terms is scaling up to meet requirements. See, not only there is automatic provisioning in cloud computing, it is also scalable. That means for whatever the reason, suppose you want to add another 10 machines, it can be done without much problem. Similarly, suppose you want to add about another 10,000 machines, that can also be done immediately, almost automatically. Finally, the measured service. So this actually is very interesting because the end user will be knowing not only the resources that he is using, also to the extent which he has been using. For example, if he has bought about say 10 GB of space and about say 5 machines of computing, then actually he'll be knowing that how much of each resources he has been using. This provides what is known as transparency to the cloud computing process. So the practical meaning of cloud computing characteristics makes it a very useful tool for anybody to use, whether he is a general user or a entrepreneur or a government or a big organization.